Go for dinner today?
Yes, I went to dinner today.
How was it?
Man, it was fucked up. It was so nasty, man. You think I'm Ezel? And Ezel don't like eating nothing nasty. It was so fucked up, but nasty as hell. And that bowl right there, man.
Okay. Now, where you take a spoon now?
That bowl right there.
Take a spoon, my friend.
I'm gonna take a spoon.
Well, take a big one.
Big butter.
A big one for you.
Big for me.
No. Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand. Put it in your hand. I like you and all of that, but that's my personal spoon. Okay. Eat.
Easy.
It is your dog. Yes, it was, bro.
What happened?
Oh, who's yelling at me? That's right.
Tell me something.
We can't have it down.
Now, will you go for dinner then?
Yeah, that is so good right there. I can slap my mama. Goddamn good.
Bobby the mob.
That is so good right now. I goddamn head off.
Okay.
That's not